Hey, what am I here with today?
Hi, you're here with Gloria.
Gloria. Okay, so can you describe me Mahtsen in 3 words?
So, Mahtsen is, first of all, engaging, community focused, and extremely welcoming.
Oh yeah, I see now. There's quite like a lot of things going on, but it's quite like culture stuff and everything.
Yeah.
And then how could you describe your day today? How would you?
I would say today was very amazing. Like, it was good. I don't want to use the same words to describe, but it was really, really engaging. Coming here and seeing people from different communities, being enriched, and also the fact that Salawit, who's the person who leads this, has managed to bring different organizations to enrich, her community is so powerful. Like, I'm from Access Beyond, which is an organisation that connects young people and helps them to be able to make an informed decision about their careers. And, she's kind of partnered with us to be able to enrich the community and tell them, about different educational pathways to different careers. And that's because she has a heart for the community. And I've seen her work with various other organisations, bringing them to teach their expertise to the community. So yeah, she's amazing, and Mahtsen's doing fantastic work.
I can see the work's going good, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then I like to work too. It's really nice.
Yeah.
I like the speech as well. It was quite good.
Yeah, it was very good.
Quite good.
Yeah,
but thank you for your time. Really appreciate it.